Choosing the right TV wall mount can make a big difference in viewing comfort, space saving, and overall setup. In this top 5 best TV wall mounts of 2026 list, we compare some of the best options for different needs, including low profile, tilting, and full motion mounts. Whether you have a large screen TV or need flexible viewing angles, these picks offer a strong combination of durability, adjustability, and easy installation.
We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1. Mounting Dream Tilting TV Wall Mount. The Mounting Dream MD2268LK is a reliable low-profile tilting TV wall mount designed for 37-75-inch TVs and supports up to 132 pounds, with a maximum VESA compatibility of 600 by 400 mm. Its slim 1.5-inch profile keeps the TV close to the wall for a clean, space-saving appearance, while the 8-degree tilt helps reduce glare and improve the viewing angle. It supports 16-, 18-, and 24-inch wood stud spacing and includes installation hardware and a level for easier setup. With its strong metal construction, wide compatibility, easy installation, and 10-year warranty, it is a great choice for securely mounting larger TVs. Number 2. ECHOGEAR MaxMotion TV Wall Mount. The ECHOGEAR MaxMotion EGLF2 is a heavy-duty full-motion TV wall mount designed for large TVs from 42 to 90 inches and weighing up to 125 pounds. Its dual-arm design lets you extend the TV up to 22 inches from the wall, swivel it up to 130 degrees, and tilt it up to 15 degrees to help achieve a comfortable viewing angle and reduce glare. It supports VESA patterns from 200 by 100 to 600 by 400, works with major TV brands such as Samsung, LG, Sony, and Vizio, and retracts to about 2.4 inches from the wall for a cleaner look. ECHOGEAR also includes a drilling template and hardware kit designed to make installation easier. Number 3. Sanus VLF728 Steel S2 Slim Full Motion. The Sanus VLF728 S2 is a premium full-motion TV wall mount designed for 42, 90-inch TVs weighing up to 125 pounds. Its solid steel construction provides strong support, while the articulating design allows up to 15 degrees of tilt, 57 degrees of swivel in either direction, and up to 28 inches of extension for flexible viewing from different positions in the room. When retracted, it sits just 2.15 inches from the wall, creating a slim, modern appearance. The mount also features Sanus Steady Set technology to help keep the TV securely positioned and includes a design intended for straightforward installation. Number 4. Perlegear Long Arm Full Motion. The Pearlsmith PSXLF01 is a heavy-duty full-motion TV wall mount designed for large 42, 90-inch TVs weighing up to 150 pounds. Its extra-long articulating arm can extend up to 42.72 inches, while the screen can swivel up to 90 degrees left or right, tilt from +5 degrees to -15 degrees, and be leveled by +or -4 degrees for a more comfortable viewing position. It supports VESA patterns from 200 by 100 mm up to 800 by 400 mm and can be installed on 16-, 18-, or 24-inch wood studs as well as concrete or brick walls. When not in use, the mount retracts to just 4.5 inches from the wall, making it especially useful for corner installations or recessed spaces. Number 5. Sanus Tilting TV Wall Mount. The Sanus VLT6B1 is a premium tilting TV wall mount designed for 46, 90-inch TVs weighing up to 150 pounds. It offers up to 12 degrees of downward tilt to help reduce glare and improve viewing comfort, while its unique design extends the TV about 5.7 inches from the wall for easier access to HDMI, power, and other cables. The mount supports a wide range of VESA patterns and can be installed on compatible wood stud or concrete/block walls. It also allows side-to-side adjustment and is designed for relatively quick installation with the included hardware and drill template. Note, Sanus currently lists the VLT6 as discontinued, so availability may vary.